Well, good morning, everybody. Welcome to Live from the Camper. I hope everybody had a great New Year's Eve last night. Lord knows we did. Well, you know what the 3 greatest words in breakfast dictionary is? Biscuits with sausage gravy. I'm going to show you how to make an easy, delicious biscuits and gravy that you can do with one eye open, because most of y'all are probably still sleeping. Well, if you're ready, let's get cooking. Come on, coffee, you got one job only. Get to work. All right, we're gonna start off like we always do. Turn on the Ninja Foodi, hit saute, start, and we're gonna preheat it for 5 minutes. All right, it's been 5 minutes now, so we're gonna add our Jimmy Dean Country Mild sausage, or breakfast sausage, whichever your local Walmart has. Smells like sausage. Ooh-wee, I love that PIG hog. That's some good eating right there. All right, now everybody's awake because they can smell this PIG hog cooking. I could turn the lights on so you can actually see what I'm doing. All right, now that you have all the sausage browned up, throw 2 tablespoons of butter right into the sausage. All right, all the butter is melted, and now we're going to throw in 1/4 cup flour. Mix that all around here, and what's it going to make, Michelle?
Some deliciousness.
That's right, deliciousness. And just like that, with the butter, the flour, and this pork sausage, New Year's resolution. All right, after you get the flour all mixed in there, you're going to do 3 cups of whole milk. But not all at once, because that's what baker people say don't do. Slowly put it in, stir it together. You can use your whisk if you want. I find the spoon works just the same. Look at that. We used to always buy the packets of gravy mix, throw in sausage and do all that stuff. Man, this is too easy to do all that and get that weird ingredients you see and all that. Make it like this. Homemade. Delicious. By the way, we got this recipe out of the Ninja Foodi book, but we've tweaked it a little bit. Don't use a tablespoon of salt. Only use a teaspoon. All right, all the milk's in there. Let's stir it till it gets thick and bubbly. All right, while that's getting thick and bubbly, we're going to get our biscuits ready. What I did was I used the tall trivet thingy that came with it, and I put tin foil over the top. I did that because if you don't, and you do like the recipe calls for in the book, the bottom of your biscuits don't get cooked all the way. They get kind of doughy. The tops look beautiful, but the bottoms are all have the grooves from all that in there. Just makes an ugly biscuit. Who wants to eat ugly biscuits? So we're gonna put tin foil on the top, put the biscuits on that, then we're gonna put that right on top of that for a 1-pot biscuits and gravy. All right, as that's getting thick and bubbly, it said earlier a tablespoon. Don't put a tablespoon of kosher salt in it. Do a teaspoon. You can always add salt and pepper to it later, but add some pepper to it now too. All right, it's all thick and bubbly. I'm gonna turn it off and let it just keep doing what it's doing. And I'm gonna get these biscuits going. Oh yeah, that's the consistency we like. Right, biscuits all kind of fit on there. Close enough though, right? We're gonna drop that right on top of that gravy. We're gonna close that. We are going to bake at 325 for 10 minutes. But we're going to check it in 5 to make sure. Hit start, and away we go. So let's take a look at these biscuits. Those are looking good. Flaky, Are the bottoms doughy? Because that's the problem we had when we did the recipe out of the... Ow, it's hot, so be careful. I think we're good to go. Well, the bottoms were a little doughy, so we're gonna go back in for another 4 minutes. Bake. Temp 325. 4 minutes. Gonna use the silicone mitts that came with the Ninja Foodi. Hey everybody. Oh, those look delicious. All right, after you take your biscuits out, hit saute again. Start. Stir that up and see if that's a consistency you like. We like it a little soupier. So we're just gonna add a little milk to it, just a little. After you put that milk in there, stir it up, plate it up, and eat it up. That smells good. And the coffee is doing its job. I'm finally waking up. Wish I could say that about the rest of these guys. But after you eat these biscuits and gravy, they gonna be happy. Biscuit, gravy. What's that equal? Deliciousness. So I got one question for you. Are you hungry? Good, let's eat. By the way, sorry about the paper plates. Recipe easy. Doing dishes, not easy. Let's give this bad boy a try. That is amazing. Easy and delicious. Now let's eat. Here he is. Biscuits. Sausage gravy.
And gravy.
I know, but this is sausage I was holding up.
No, biscuits and...
Sausage gravy?
No,
Biscuit.
biscuits and...
Okay.
Biscuits and gravy.
How was the opening? So stir it up. Plate it up. Eat it up. And hopefully you don't throw it up. Should I put that in there? After you... No?